Shelley's excited, which means a hot new recipe right here in the PH Fun Food Show. And Shelley, what do we have today?
That's right. We've got stir-fry un-cashew chicken.
Which means
no chicken,
no cashew.
This was a recipe that was sent in to us from one of our PH Miracle cooking contests, recipe contests, and it won a prize. So I thought it was a great stir-fry. And we're going to start with garlic here today. And we're working with oil in a hot pan here, grapeseed oil, because grapeseed oil can take higher temperatures without smoking and changing into trans fats. So if you're going to fry it all or do a steam fry or a stir fry, you want to use grapeseed oil, or on occasion I've used coconut oil.
Onions next.
Onions
and
the garlic.
This pan is called a...
This is an electric fry pan. And I'm glad you brought that up because I really like my cookware to be 7-ply stainless steel. I don't use any coated cookware at all because I've already taken the test where you can taste the metals that come up through coated cookware. So we use Miracle Made cookware here.
Miracle Made.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's very great cookware. Now, next we're going to add celery, chopped carrots.
Can I put the broccoli in?
Yeah, do the broccoli for me.
Yep.
And then we have green bell pepper.
Yep. Now
Nice.
I see some almonds here.
Yeah,
Shelley.
that's what we're using instead of cashews today. Now, almonds are very alkalinizing. They're the most alkalinizing nut. They're high in vitamin E, and they have a crunchy texture. So this is where we get some of that chewiness in this steam fry, stir fry.
May I do the honors?
Yeah, so go ahead and pour those in.
There you go.
And then we're going to take the juice of 1 lemon.
So that's half a lemon. Here's the other half.
And here's the other half.
And give a little squeeze in there.
Yeah, be my guest.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Very therapeutic.
Yeah, now lemon is a natural blood thinner. So when you're thinking about keeping your blood thin, especially in a hot climate or environment, you should be putting lemon juice in your water each day that you drink, in your green drinks. And, you know, lemon,
good idea.
There's a lot of new discovery about lemon juice in cases of sickness and disease and how they're using it. So a lot of vitamin C in lemon, very low sugar, and just a great blood thinner.
Now you grow your own lemons right on the ranch?
We do. These came right from the
big.
Rancho del Sol. Yeah, I'm going to add a few fresh peas from the pod just because I love them.
I found I'm very peaceful when I have peas. I don't know why that is.
When you have peas, you're very peaceful.
Exactly.
Okay, now this is what makes alkaline cooking so easy. So you can use any vegetables, any leftover vegetables that you have as a stir fry, and then it's just the way you season things that make it taste one way or the other. So we want to go with a Szechuan seasoning today.
What is that?
This is Szechuan seasoning by Spice Hunter.
Nice.
So this is going to make. It has sesame seeds. It has all this beautiful spices. Szechuan spices has a little kick to it, some chilies in it, and we're also going to be putting in some red pepper. So this stir fry will have a little bit of a kick to it for sure.
Can I tell you something, Shelley? Sometimes it's hard to find a stir fry in a restaurant that looks that good and is that healthy and that wholesome.
Yeah, for sure. And one of the reasons is because they use soy sauce. So today for our salting agent, we're going to be using the liquid flavor salt, because soy sauce is a fermented substance. Soy sauce is cured on a bed of Aspergillus niger mold.
Hello, say it again, say it again, say it again.
Aspergillus niger mold. So soy sauce is a no-no on the alkalarian program, and we do have people that are very hypersensitive to soy sauce and develop allergies to it. It's counterproductive for healing, and we'd much rather go to something more pure like these mineral salts that I'm spraying in here today. This is our pH flavor.
Awesome.
So this is something that you can take to Chinese restaurants with you and ask them to use this instead of soy sauce. And they're usually always happy to do that if you tell them that you're allergic to soy sauce. Beautiful. So use that word allergic and just tell them it doesn't function well in your body and you'd rather have them use this. And you can get a great stir fry anywhere, anytime, any place.
Taking ownership of your food and what's in there is vital, isn't it, in the education?
So vital. So very vital.
What is this?
Now this is brown rice, much better than white rice. You could also use barley. You could use quinoa. You could use millet. You could use buckwheat. So play with the grains, and you want to have like a chance for this to kind of soften up the vegetables, and you want the broccoli to be very bright green. But when you serve it, just go ahead and put this on top
like a bed
of the brown rice. Served over a bed of brown rice. That's very good. There's lots of crunch and munch. And I really like stir fries. If you don't eat it all one night, you can put it in the fridge and put it in your wrap the next day. So stir fries are great. They're a great picnic meal to take on a picnic. Just put them in a Tupperware. They taste good cold or hot.
Looks delish.
Yeah.
Can I taste?
Yes, have a taste.
Wow.
This is the stir fry Un-Cashew chicken.
No chicken, no cashew, but a delicious meal, I will tell you.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mmm. That's great.
Okay, so from the PH Miracle Fun Food Show, this is Paul Ryan and Chef Shelley saying, salute to your health.
You could have a wrap the next day, or this is a wrap. Thanks for joining us.